Hi guys, if you're getting this error, we are sorry, but Excel has run into an error that is preventing it from working correctly. So let's see how to fix it. Just search appwidge.cpl in the search box and now click on appwidge.cpl. Now when you reach here, just locate your Microsoft Office based on your version. Now right click on it and click on change. Now click on yes and now click on repair. It will ask you to click on repair again. Just click on repair and it will repair your Microsoft Office version. It will also ask you to close all the Office instances. If you have any Excel open on your computer, just close it and then continue and it will repair it. After that, your problem will be solved. If this does not get fixed, let's move to method 2. Just open Excel. And now once Excel opens up, click on file and now click on options. Now click on add-ins. Now manage Excel add-ins, just click on go button. Now uncheck all the option. If there is any checked selected add-ins, just uncheck all the option, click on OK. Now close and open Excel again and try again and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support.